Hello, my friends. I welcome you to my channel, or better yet, to your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a Subaru Outback 2.5 liter from the years 2015 to 2025. Here we can see a very clear example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car. Once we're in front of the car, we open the hood and look toward the front of the engine. The location and firing order would be as follows. On the left side are cylinders number 1 and 3, and on the right side are cylinders number 2 and 4. As I mentioned before, as long as you're standing in front of the car, this would be your left and this would be your right. The firing order of the cylinders would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is the one near the radiator. Then, cylinder number 3 would fire. It's on the left, on the passenger side. After that, cylinder number 2 would fire. It's on the right side, also near the radiator. And finally, cylinder number 4 would fire. It's also on the right side, near the driver. Well, folks, that's all for now. I hope you understood everything. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.